Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the EVS class. Our topic for today is seasons. Yes, we have already studied something about seasons last class and we are going to study some more things today. My name is Jigna Damani and let's start the topic. First, we will do the revision of the topic. There are 3 seasons in India: summer season, rainy season and winter season. So there are 3 seasons in India. Matlab out of India when you go, there are 4 seasons and there are 6 seasons. But in India we follow the 3 seasons. They are summer season, matlab very hot season, rainy season, it is also known as monsoon, and the last is the winter season, jo right now the winter season is going on, and that is known as the cold season. So summer season, the sky is very bright, the sun shines brightly and we feel very hot in this season. But in rainy season the sky is not bright, it is dark and cloudy. बहुत ही clouds होते हैं and it is very dark, and all the dark clouds they dash with each other and we get rain, and sometimes we even see rainbow in the sky. But in winter season again the sky becomes bright and we feel very cold in this season. So now let us study what clothes we wear in each season. So in summer season, when the sun is very hot, we wear light cotton clothes. कोई sleeveless पहनता है, कोई पतले cotton के कपड़े पहनता है. Yes, and we also use a cap or a hat, and we also wear goggles or the glares on our eyes. The next is rainy season. When it rains up in the sky, हम लोग ने हमारे normal कपड़े तो पहने हैं, तो उसके ऊपर we wear a raincoat, we wear gumboots, we use gloves or hat, and some people also use umbrella. Yes, why? Just to keep safe. हम लोग को गीला नहीं होना है. Yes, we don't want to get wet. That is why we use all these clothes during the rainy season. Then the next is woolen clothes. Woolen clothes we wear in the winter season. We wear our normal clothes. On top of that, we wear a sweater or a coat or a jacket. Yes, to keep ourselves warm. Or similarly, we have socks for our legs, mittens for our hands. उसको gloves नहीं बोलते, उसको बोलते हैं mittens. Then we have a woolen cap or a monkey cap. We have a muffler. Yes, we have a ear muff जो हम लोग कान के ऊपर लगाते हैं, so that the cold air doesn't go inside the ears and we don't feel cold. So we use the ear muffs also. So these are some woolen clothes. So this was your home assignment. What you have written last time. 3 seasons in India are summer season, rainy season and winter season. Now let us study something about the months of each season. Now see, months हम लोग को सबको पता है. What are months? January, February, March. ये सारे months है. But you know each season is for 4 months. Yes, there are 3 seasons in India: summer season, winter season and rainy season. So ये हर एक season 4 months के लिए होती है. Summer season 4 months के लिए, rainy season 4 months के लिए, winter season also for 4 months. ऐसे 4 करके ये 12 months बन जाते हैं. Now let us see which are the following months for each season. Summer season we have February, March, April and May. These 4 months हम लोग को गर्मी होती है, ये summer season होता है. Rainy season, also known as the monsoon, starts from June, then July, August and ends in the month of सितंबर. फिर अक्टूबर स्टार्ट होता है तो अक्टूबर में विंटर सीजन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर एंड जनवरी. So these are the four months for each season. Now let us study something about the food for each season. Now see the first picture, summer season. That person, that boy is feeling hot. तो he is eating cold ice cream. So जब भी हमें गर्मी होती है तो हम ठंडा ठंडा खाना खाते हैं. But see the last picture, that boy, he is shivering. उसको ठंडी लग रही है because it is winter season. Yes, उसको ठंडी लग रही है तो वो गरम गरम सूप पी रहा है. So ये तो उल्टा हो गया. Yes or no? समर सीजन में गर्मी होती है तो वी ईट ठंडा ठंडा खाना, और जब भी हमें ठंडी लगती है तो वी ईट गरम गरम खाना. Yes or no? बट रेनी सीजन में क्या होता है? रेनी सीजन इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ द सीजन्स. तो हम लोग को ठंडी भी लगती है और हम लोग गीले भी होते हैं. Yes or no? So we eat hot corn in this season. गरम गरम मकाई. Then we eat bhajiyas. Yes or no? So let us see what food we eat in each season. So the first one is the summer season food. Yeah, lovely, yummy ice creams. Yes. So जब भी गर्मी होती है तो we eat lot of ice creams. We drink lot of juices, milkshake, cold drinks. Yes, fruit dessert, fruit plates, salad. ये हम लोग सब बहुत ज्यादा खाते हैं because ये सब ठंडी चीजें होती है. Then we drink coconut water because जब भी बहुत ज्यादा गर्मी होती है तो हमारे बॉडी में से सब पानी जो है वो खत्म होने लगता है. So we need to drink lot of water. हमें बहुत सारा पानी पीना चाहिए. You can also drink coconut water. Then we get watermelon and mango in summer season. Watermelon हर एक सीजन में मिलता है, but the fresh watermelon we get in the summer season. And mango, you all know it is the king of the fruits which we get only in summer season. Then we have the rainy season, also known as the monsoon. We drink hot tea, corn. We eat hot corn and bhajiyas. Yes, yummy bhajiyas we eat, जो गर्मा गर्म मम्मी बनाती है. Yes or no? कभी कभी तो हम लोग बाहर से भी लेके आते हैं. So ये सब which season we eat? We eat during the rainy season, also known as the monsoon. Then we have the winter season, which is very cold. So in winter season we get fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. When you go to the market, you will see कितने सारे vegetables है जो आपको कोई और सीजन में नहीं मिलेंगे, but you will only get in winter season. Like you know, carrot. आप कभी भी मार्केट में जाओ, कैरेट्स तो मिलेंगे पर वो ऑरेंज कलर के होते हैं, बट जो रेड कलर के कैरेट्स है, जो बहुत ज्यादा जूसी कैरेट्स होते हैं, यू गेट ओनली इन विंटर सीजन. जो यू हैव योर स्पिनैच, योर लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, ये फ्रेश लीफी वेजिटेबल्स यू गेट इन विंटर सीजन. आपको जो वटाना है वो कभी कभी मिलता है, बट वेन यू गो टू द मार्केट इन विंटर सीजन, कितने सारे ग्रीन पीस वाले होते हैं. यस और नो? सो इन विंटर सीजन यू गेट फ्रेश फ्रूट्स एंड फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स. यू नो, एप्पल्स, जैसे मैंगो है समर सीजन में ही आता है, वैसे फ्रेश एप्पल्स you get in winter season only. Other seasons you get apple. ऐसा नहीं है, समर में भी मिलता है, रेनी में भी मिलता है, but the fresh and the original apples you get only in winter season. Then we like to drink hot soup and hot tea. Yes, tea and coffee हम लोग जो गरम गरम होता है, drinking chocolate. Yes, we drink during the winter season. Now, let us do the exercise in our EVS activity book. Now, the date we have already written 27th of January 2021, and today is Wednesday. WED Nesday. Yes. So we have already written. Now see, यहाँ पे 4 seasons दिए हैं. Now you will remember the 3 seasons, but teacher will also explain you the spring season. Okay. Now let us see. The first one is summer season. Then we have monsoon. Then we have spring. Spring season कौन सी होती है? It is during the holy time. जब भी fresh leaves grow करते हैं. Everywhere in the plants there are fresh flowers growing. And everywhere you can see a lot of greenery. Okay. That season is known as spring. And the last season is winter. So this is on page number 45. Now we have to match the pictures to the name of the season. Okay, see the first picture. Now there's a girl, she's holding an umbrella. Okay, वो umbrella उसने लिया है. मतलब it is raining. Yes, so raining मतलब it is monsoon. So take the girl to the monsoon word. Now see the second picture. This boy, he is feeling very hot. The sun is shining so brightly and he's sweating. मतलब उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना हो रहा है. So it is summer season. Now see the next picture. There are 2 children and they are wearing jacket, muffler, sweater, monkey cap, mittens, earmuffs. मतलब उनको बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडी लग रही है. तो it is winter season. Now see our 3 seasons जो हम लोग ने पढ़े वो तो हो गए. Now see the last picture what teacher told you. Yes, you can see there are beautiful flowers growing और कितनी सारी greenery है. And that season is the spring season. And we are going to match this over here. So this is your assignment for today. After matching the column, you are going to turn the page and you are going to take page number 46. And here what is the reason? What is the heading? Match the seasons to the correct clothes. Okay, now अभी हम लोग ने अभी clothes पढ़ा था. Yes or no? So see over here. There is a beach scene over here. And few children, they are wearing light cotton clothes. Okay, it is a summer season. So उसके नीचे हम लोग यहाँ पे लिखेंगे SUMMER, summer season. Now here you can see there is rain falling from the sky. There are water puddles everywhere. Some children are wearing raincoats and they are using umbrellas also. So this is the rainy season. RAINY. Rainy season. Now see over here. There are 2 children. They are wearing all the jackets and mufflers, monkey caps. They are using earmuffs. Yes. So this is the winter season. Winter. Now we are going to match the clothes with that. Now see the first one. There's a raincoat, there's a cap and there's a gumboot. So we wear it during the rainy season. So we are going to match it here. Then we have a sweater, muffler, ear cap, ear muff and the mittens. So we wear it during the winter season. Then we have this waist and a cap. So that goes to the summer season. Okay, so you are going to do this exercise nicely. Click the photograph of both the pages and send it to me. This is your home assignment. So thank you my dear children. Thank you so much. Stay home and stay safe. Do your home assignments nicely and teacher will tell you. Now teacher misses you so much because कल जो आपने सारे pictures भेजे थे Republic Day के लिए, teacher was very happy seeing you. Teacher was very happy seeing you. Everyone in the Tiranga dresses. Very good. Have a nice day my children. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and take care of your parents also. Click the photographs of the home assignment and send it to me. Bye bye. Thank you so much.